What's good, everybody? So I'm tired. Gotta get some things done. Then we're gonna go. I want to go to the gym today. I'll go to the gym today. I have a lot of stuff I have to get done. I am tired. Yeah, man. This is. I forget what vlog number this is, but for week 3, day something. It'll be somewhere like right here or right here. I am going to do some work on the computer, and then after I get out, then yeah, we're gonna do some fun stuff, guys. All right, man, let's go. Ooh, man, it's cold out here, guys. All right, now we're about to go to the gym. Alright guys, about to head in the gym. I'm not gonna bring this in. I'll probably bring my phone in. I don't know. We'll see how it works. But yeah, see you when I'll get out. Got out the gym. I'm exhausted, but you know what, it comes with the territory. So guys, about to go home, about to shower, get ready. I'm gonna have a date night tonight. I'm gonna go watch a movie, but yeah, so let's get changed in 3, 2, 1. All right guys, so just got changed. Now we're about to go. Wait, hold up, we gotta get the girl in here too. See, it's magic. About to head out, just gotta pay a bill, and we're gonna go to Binghamton, New York, and just have a date night, man, and go see a movie like I said. And yeah, so let's get on the road. Decided to go out to eat before we go to the movies. It's freezing because it's upstate New York. Let's get inside. Just got done eating. Going to Barnes & Noble for a little bit. Noble over there. I was talking about.
Oh yeah.
You need to read this all day. And I'm almost done with this book. Gary Vee crushing it. I need this in my house.
No.
Huh?
I don't agree.
What do you mean? I need this like on my
Nope.
shelf above. I need this guy.
Maybe Doctor Strange?
Who? Why? Have you even seen the movie? Go on. This would go good in your collection. DC? Yo, Marvel. All day. Fire and Fury. And I heard it was good.
Oh god, the Charles First Book of Trump. Let's see what this is.
James Comey. Just got out, Barnes & Noble. Yeah. About to head over. Cool thing about Vestal is the movie theater is right across the street, so we're gonna watch I Feel Pretty. It got like 33 on.
It did not.
It got 33% on Rotten Tomatoes.
Probably because only guys. What's it called?
Yeah, so you're gonna go make me look at a chick flick.
You made me go watch Star Wars.
Star Wars is a good show for everybody.
Like Star Wars.
Then after that, we're gonna call it a night, guys. Yes, I'll see you in a bit.